and loser, we're learning sewing. I want to talk about gear a little bit. In order to get started sewing, you're going to need to actually sew your fabric, you're going to need to cut your fabric, you're going to need to pin stuff, and that's like the main thing you're going to want to do. There's a lot of TikToks and stuff like that out there that will convince you that you need a bunch of different stuff, and that's really not the case. You need a sewing machine. I use a Singer Heavy Duty. I have used one of these for about a year. Before that, I had a Singer Simple. Both were incredible. You really want to look for something that has quite a few different stitches and allows you to adjust the stitch length. It's nice when the guide has these little seam marker guides. My Singer Simple didn't have those. It's also nice if you're able to adjust the tension and the width of your stitches. Really, you're definitely going to want to be able to adjust the width of your stitches, or that's going to suck. You need a needle. Universal needles are going to work for most of your purposes. If you're sewing on something that doesn't use a universal needle, stop, pick a different pattern. Your first thing should be something simple. It should be something that doesn't require a bunch of extra stuff. You can use scissors to cut. I was taught using a rotary cutter. You use it just like a pizza cutter, which is great because you don't have to kind of pick up your fabric to cut, and you don't have to worry about having the world's sharpest scissors, which you really want to have sharp scissors if you're cutting out fabric. Rotary cutters don't cost very much. These little wheels do have to be replaced. Like, I replace them about once a project, but they're crazy inexpensive. I cut out everything with this rotary cutter. I think it's great. You also need a cutting mat. I have two. I have one very large cutting mat. It's the pink one that you'll see in a lot of my videos, but a smaller one will work just fine. I have used this one for years. You really don't need state-of-the-art gear or anything like that. This size of cutting mat is perfectly fine. You want this so if you're using your rotary cutter, you don't damage your table. Make sure you wash your fabric when you get it home. Make sure you launder it in the way that you would normally launder it. Wash it exactly the way you would normally wash it before you cut anything out. If you've ever had something and you like put it in the wash and it came out and it was all twisted, like the seams went like this on a shirt or something, it's because the fabric wasn't pre-laundered. So really easy way to avoid that, just throw it in the washing machine. These were some just like basic tips on how to get started. I'm going to be doing more in-depth videos, but I hope you enjoyed this, and please like and subscribe, and follow along with my sewing journey, and I can help you on yours.